Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone and apps are updated so fixes are current. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps. Find Samsung Internet or Chrome and select it. You want to access notifications and permissions immediately to stop intrusive ads from appearing. Make sure to note which app shows the video ad so you target the right browser or offending app. This speeds up the process and avoids unnecessary resets later. Next, dive into the browser settings to remove the ad source. In Samsung Internet or Chrome, turn on block pop-ups and disable autoplay for media. This prevents videos from starting automatically. Revoke site permissions for any unknown domains and clear cache and site data to drop persistent cookies and scripts. If a specific site keeps returning, use the browser's site settings to block it entirely. Also review installed apps and uninstall anything recently added that matches the ad start time. To finish, add an ad block extension or configure private DNS to block ad domains at the network level. This reduces video ads across apps. If problems remain, reset app preferences or clear data for the offending app and test in safe mode to rule out third-party apps. As a final troubleshooting tip, run a malware scan. Some pop-up videos are adware. If the adware resists, back up your data and consider a factory reset as the last resort to fully remove persistent infections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.